Okay, in this lecture I want to talk about paragraph and line break tag. I delete all of them. I want type text. There is some text. Say refresh. Okay. Now I want to type another text beneath the first text, my first text. Some text is here too. Save and refresh. But you see that is not line break. For do it, we should use paragraph tag and use p tag. For example, use p and close p tag, and use p, close p tag, save, refresh. There you go. Fantastic. Now I want line break this text is here too. I want line break it. Use br tag and save. Refresh. Fantastic. Some text is here too. Line break this part. Okay, we learned about paragraph and line break it. I will see you in next lecture. Good luck.